Hello everyone, my name is Ramon Valenzuela. Um, we are working with Oracle 21C SQL Tuning, Project 7A. Um, we are going to see the PowerPoint on the left side for the lecture, and we are going to see our command prompts on the left side. If we click over here, we can see the PowerShell. We just gotta type CMD, and we can see our path that start with C for the owner of this computer. So starting right away, why SQL tuning? SQL tuning is about making queries faster and less resources hungry. In Oracle, performance can be affected by bad execution plans, missing indices, poor join strategies, too much data scan. Think of it like traffic flow. A badly designed route causes jams, but rerouting or adding shortcuts, indices, speed things up, etc. So when I start this, for me getting over here from my PowerShell, I type this SQL Nolo. And then if I type CMD, like I said before, we can see my path. I start with that Z. Right here, I think that has a forward slash. Uh, you see the user, Ramon, etc. So it is how it is. So now next, we're going to start step one, explain plan. See how Oracle execute your query. In this assignment, I utilize ChatGPT and I use Copilot to correct some query because sometimes when we are typing, we meet goals or we write different single quote or maybe the quote and it can make our query run the way that it's not supposed to be. So the first one is going to be explaining plan for select first name, last name from employees where underscore ID equal to semicolon and this. So I'm gonna highlight all of this. I'm gonna paste a copy and let's see the result right here. So now we see right here that our table is explained. The plan table output is there. So the actual table plan table output, we can say now the ID. So the ID, we don't see the percentage, but if we make it bigger, we can see the state percentage right here. So let me bring it back. So yes, right. I need to read this. So we can see the ID time, the operation, the name, the routes, the bytes, the cost, and the CPU percentage. So on the plan table, we can see the ID time is 0.1 seconds. And the select statement is the same as the execution, the operation, I'm sorry, for the execution. We can see the name, the rows is 1, the bytes, the cost, the CPU percentage already, the bytes is 15, the cost is 1. So we are going to do the next query. This query number 2. So sometimes I ask some query, I ask Copilot to fix it, and Copilot did it for me. So let's type in this one. So we see right here in the next one, the step 2. we see the table that say before the creating index and after the creating index. So the other one say no row selected, but on mine I ask Copilot to fix it and give me this result: the employee ID, the first underscore ID, the first underscore's name, the name underscore, the hire date, and the salary. I think that is 55,000 and something. So it is in the step 2 SQL tuning. So let's keep going doing the other one. So I'm gonna do this one. Step number 3, indices example, create shortcut. So I am using the professor, the PhD professor Archivon table because I don't have this one. I don't have this. I don't have the book. So I follow his things. So you see right here, after creating index, so on number 2, we see the quote string not proper terminated. So I ask Copilot fix that for me. Let me see that show up. Fix it. You see? Let me see what Copilot say. Before creating indexes, you see? I paste and copy this. Let me see if this works. But I already have one before this one. You see? You see right here? It's how it's supposed to do, but I have it here. I just want to show you how I did it from Copilot or ChatGPT. So let me rewrite it. I'm sorry. Yeah. So yes, that's the continuation of the same things that I just did it. So you see, it gave me the same things. So I said I started 55 and something. It was February 26th, and etc. So the ID, first name, the last name, Alice, and things, etc. So now I'm gonna go. This one I think that is good. The step number 4, using bind variables. So let's see. I paste and copy everything. I'm gonna run it for you. Okay, no row selected. So we don't have no row right here, but it is running good. You see? Okay, now we're gonna go to 5. I think that 5, the step 5 hints suggests execution to optimizer. He got another issue, but I asked Copilot to fix it, and he did it for me. Let's run it to prove it. You see? Quote string not properly terminated. So that's why sometimes we ask the artificial intelligence to fix it for us, but I got it right here. I got it right here. You see? I'm sorry. You see? Copilot prompt fix that for me. So I have it right here. It worked last night, but I'm going to practice again. So we can see. Running. Everything's working good. So now we're gonna go step number 6, detecting a slow sequence with big dollar sign views. So sometimes we see section over here, we see different things, but we the most that we're going, we start experience this subject. So right here, we're gonna follow this. We are going to follow this one, and let's see. 51 rows selected. So you see, I think that before I got like a 44, I see another one 33, but the most that we can, so we want to look for the solution why it is running. So it is number 6. Now select from this one. I say it's the same practice if you have a query like. So, and what's running slow, what do you think you try first? So it is all my job right here. See, Oracle execute your query class lecture, Oracle database, and I utilize also Copilot. I forgot to cite this, but I utilize Copilot to help me out fix all my query.